Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today I want to show you how to detect theme and plugins installed on any website. So many times, when you visit a website, you want to check what theme is installed on this website. It is very easy. Let's start. Open Internet browser and open that website of which you want to check details. Now open new tab and write WTS Theme Detector. Click on this link. This is free tool. You can check unlimited websites on it. Now again go to previous website and copy the URL. Now again go to Theme Detector and paste URL here. And click on this search button. It will take a moment. And then result will show. You can see all details are detected about this website. Second tool is Guachi Theme Detector. This is also free tool. You can also detect unlimited websites from here. Enter URL here and click on Detect. All details are showing. First is theme information. Second is author information. And third is plugins that are detected. Third tool is paid, but free trial is available for 3 days. Tool name is Scan WP Theme Detector. This is my favorite tool, because this tool detect information deeply and accurately. It also detect traffic and competitor sites, keywords that ranked and backlink information also. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. If you have any question and suggestion, please write in comment box. I will respond you as soon as possible. Like and share this video to others. Consider subscribing to watch latest videos like this. Thank you.